What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed, folks. I have something so cool to show you today. This guy. This is a lost piece of tech. I actually got in a discussion with somebody that said, hey, I used to own something that did this particular thing, and they didn't believe me because this is the only electronic that I've ever seen in my life that has this particular feature. Now, most of you guys are thinking, it's a regular casual timer, and you would almost be correct, except this guy has this right here. Those are locking NEMA plugs. So you put it in, you click it on lock, and it will not pull out, and you can put a lot of force on that. What happens is it puts a lug through those holes that are in most plugs. There's a tiny little lug that comes over and it locks it in, and you are not getting that guy out. And then there's a shield that covers it. And this is for indoor or outdoor use. And obviously it's got a light sensor for the timer, but this guy here, I saved it for all these years because it's the only thing I've ever seen in my life that had that particular feature. Now, often what these plugs will do is they will have indents on the copper, and those indents will naturally kind of lock into these holes right here. But this guy here actually locks it in, and it is not going anywhere. That is so cool. And I actually use this guy in the winter times, especially for some of my inflatables, the expensive ones, because you can lock in the AC adapter. That way there nobody can steal them, which in some neighborhoods is a problem, but not in the house that I currently live in. But yeah, there it is. And let's see if I can get you guys a close-up so you can see what it happens. You can almost see it, and you can see the little barrel right there. There's a little bit of tension on those. So yeah, it's just a little guy that comes over, locks it in. So anyway, guys, let me know in the comments below if you've ever seen anything like that before. I have not, and obviously I've got my ear to the ground when it comes to electronics, and this guy here is vintage. I've had it for probably 10 to 15 years, and it's the only one I've ever seen like that, and I think that's the coolest thing in the world. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.